Okay, so this was me 4 years ago, very excited to go to school, and all my excitement went into vain when I first went there. Because I just hated, I just hated ninth and 10th for some reason, and this was my favorite teacher, by the way. Though I had some great moments, but I would like to highlight some because I found my best friend there, which really helped me survive ninth and 10th. And also, I got into basketball, and this gave me a reason to attend school. Yeah, this was my ninth and 10th. Talking about 11th, so before starting 11th, I really made a decision in my mind that, when I'm done with school, I would not like to be in contact with anyone except my best friend. But 11th changed my perspective. And I had some really great moments in 11th and mostly in 12th. This was the first video we shot in 11th during Teacher's Day. 3, 2, 1. And that moment made me realize we really can be friends with our whole class. I mean, okay, except few, okay, वो हर class में होती है, so never mind. And you know what I really loved about this class? That it had unity, it had respect, and it had really friendly banter, and I can easily go to talk to anyone without being judged, and it's really great. I mean, our class has really unusual ratio. I mean, more girls, less boys. Like we have only like 5, 6 boys and 30 plus girls. So that made us very dominating sometimes. But teacher used to take sides for boys because someone had to. By the way, this is our English teacher who was really overwhelmed by looking at the gift we gave her in 11th class during Teacher's Day. And she really loved books, so yeah. And this was me, by the way. So this is Kritika and this is Anshika, and this video is the example of what I just said. We never really talked with each other before this video, but we had just some unsaid bond, and it's great. And these are my people, which I had like a really lovely time spent in the classes. We used to have so much fun, like yapping session, singing session, and what not, bro. This is Avni, by the way, and unexpected friendships are the best for sure. Like, I met her in 11th, but we bonded great in 12th, like, great. Also, we went on a trip to Mukteshwar, and this was like best.
Not got much at all. Live in this small town. Till the end, we're all buried deep inside the same hole in the ground. My old hometown always felt so pretty, and no one was sending postcards from the city. I've been walking downtown every day. In spite of this, I always try to fit in. When they consume my head, I hate this feeling. I wanna be a paragon, not a villain. I made the city, but I stayed for you. My love's so pretty, and I always knew from the day we met I'll be with you. The first time you said that you love me too.
मेरा कभी बॉक्सर और डोरेमोन कोडेड है नहीं। मेरा थोड़ा लेस्बियन और हाथ कोडेड है।
And honorable mention to all my sociology friends too. I don't have a picture with them except one. Shanvi. Like I had really bonded with her so nicely. I never thought I would, but I did. Surely clicking the pictures in the farewell. Okay, moving on, let's talk about my broski slash bullies, bro. Okay, I just call them in a fun way. Don't take it seriously, okay? So it just all started of me playing very bad volleyball for some reason because I just got no basketball and I had to play some sports. So I just got into volleyball and I just ruined the whole game. And that was the moment when I really had a banter with all the brothers I have right now in my life. And there are only, as I said, very minimum ratio of boys in my class, like 5 6 boys only, and these 5 6 boys are all my bros and all my friends, buddies, whatever you can say. They're just so goated. And yeah, I mean, I'm so grateful that I got a good bunch of people in my life and in my class. Yeah, आई मीन इससे ज़्यादा आई कैन नॉट तारीफ, ठीक है, इससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं कर सकती इनकी तारीफ, बट आई जस्ट रियली वांट टू से कि 9th 10th के बाद अगर मेरे से बोला जाता है ना दैट विल यू मिस दिस स्कूल, आई बी सेइंग नो फॉर श्योर, but it's just that 11 12 that changed my whole perspective, as I said. And yeah, I'll be missing this class a bit, a little bit, maybe a little bit more, I don't know, but yeah, I'll miss this. Yeah, that was a good moment. It's not that I'm about to cry, I'm emotional. It's not about that. This is all just a different shit. It's about happy memories that I made. It's not so emotional that I'm not so sad. I'm not so crying that, I'm just leaving the school or something like that. But I'm just grateful that I am leaving by having the best memories of this place. So, yeah, this chapter was the best chapter and it is closed like this chapter ended in a good way, okay? So, yeah. Matlab, yaar, the favorite part was the Wednesday, Thursday, Friday when we used to have like PT periods. Or bhai, matlab, it was just fun. We used to just play around, going here and there, and भाई भाग रहे इधर से उधर भाग रहे हैं. कभी कभार जूनियर्स के साथ होता था तो मूवी बन जाता था कि यार जूनियर्स के साथ क्यों हो रहा है. Loki, we hated some of the juniors, okay? This is just, I don't know, it's a fact or what. Like, I did hated my some of the juniors, okay? I won't say that all of the juniors, but yeah, I did hated them क्योंकि भाई वो क्या ही करते थे, मतलब वो बिल्कुल रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते थे. बट नेवर माइंड, I am hereby living by having very good memories, I can say. और भाई बहुत सारे फन करे हमने साथ में. हमारे टीचर्स भी मतलब हैप्पी ही थे. उन्होंने एंड में चॉकलेट्स भी दी. मतलब आई मीन आवर क्लास टीचर गेव अस किट कैट. दैट वाज अ वेरी गुड गुड वेरा गुड फीलिंग. व्हाई एम आई स्टटरिंग बोलते हैं. आई एम जस्ट ग्रेटफुल. And that's all I can say in the Tarif ki do line, you can say.
We should focus on celebrating this moment and remembering this moment to the depth of our hearts. Thank you.
And also, I'm really grateful for my first friendship in that school, and that was with Shrishti. She's my best friend, and she will be forever be my best friend. And now she will sing, and we will just reminiscing the memories.
I thought I saw your face today, but I just turned my head away. Your face against the trees, but I just see the memories as they go, as they go, and I couldn't help but fall in love again. No, I couldn't help but fall in love again. I saw it glitter as I grew and loved it more. I never knew. I thought this place was heaven sent, but now it's just a monument in my mind, in my mind. And I couldn't help but fall in
I started my journey of school by being such a big loner, having no friends, eating lunches alone, to now having such a big group of people that I'm gonna love and miss. I don't know if I can put my feelings into words, I'm not really good at that. But I'm not gonna talk about my initial years. As I already said, I was a loner. In ninth, I met a group. I always felt left out in that. And I decided that, hey, I was a loner before, I can be a loner again, but I don't wanna be staying in a group where it looks like I'm not a loner, but I'm actually a loner. Went off that group, met another group of people in mid-ish 9th to 10th. We were good before it went bad. Misunderstandings, people not really ready to work shit out. Left that group, had only one friend, Ritika. Then later on, started 11th with only one person, very special mention, Bhumi. She made me join her group. Was such a wonderful person, never let me feel left out. Her group was so net, but I still never felt like I was not a part of it. Then later on in 12th, I met Shrishti, Divisha, Bhumika, Shabana, and more people, but these four are my net. Amazing people, always gonna be missing them, had such beautiful memories with them. I, some days, honestly, after coming back from school, thought that how did that loner went from having literally no one to talk to having so many people that never stop yapping around her. Anyway, yeah, that was my whole school journey. I'm gonna miss all of these people. I hope I always am in touch with them.
किरणों में हम मुझे से थे या सुबह मैं सुलझा दूं आँख तेरी है चमक उठी सिलवटे क्या सहला दूं बूंदे भटके आवारा ये ढूंढे कांधा सहारा तेरा ले चल तू मुझे अकेले ये जीना लगे फीका फीका सा सताऊंगी मैं जब खाली लगे रूठना मत तब मुझसे शिकायतें जो बची खुची हो शहर में भुला दे बूंदे भटके आवारा ये ढूंढे कांधा सहारा तेरा ले चल तू मुझे अकेले ये जीना लगे फीका फीका सा अब ना पता क्या खो गया है होश क्यों मैं हूँ बेहाल खुद को संभालूं फिर भी अब तेरे बिना सब कुछ फीका फीका सा फीका फीका सा अब तेरे बिना सब